Okay guys, today we're going to tackle the closet systems in the house. I know it's a little premature. We still have a lot of trim work to do and stuff like that. So these episodes might kind of get out of sorts. But we're going to focus this episode on the closet systems. In the past, what we've done is we've actually gone to Lowe's and we've picked out a product. It's called Allen and Roth, and they're the wooden ventilated shelves. They are really, really high quality. When you see them, it's amazing at the price for what you get. So we've done a combination of closet systems which have towers. We've done 6-foot shelves, 4-foot shelves, and we've done some standalone towers that don't come with the kit. So we're kind of tackling the entire house with a hodgepodge of products that are made by Allen and Roth. So love the price on them. I really like the quality of them. They are very good looking. They got a lot of accessories. You can add drawers, or you can add pull-out baskets. I'm not going to do an unboxing or anything like that, but we are going to start cutting this thing open. We got 3 of this system, actually 4 of these systems that we're using now. So they'll all be the same. I'm not going to show it over and over again. So here we go. Alright guys, well, we finished the first shelf, and we went ahead and, without videoing it, we finished the second shelf tower and the third shelf tower. So not a lot of room in here. I mean, it's actually a great sized closet, but yeah, so see if I can give you a better shot of. We're gonna have shelves on this side over here, 2 shelves, 1 over here. She'll be able to hang her dresses on this side over here, and then we're going to have a long shelf up top, another long shelf below. Very similar thing that we're going to do on this side. Her side is a little bit bigger because she has a little bit more clothes than I do. My wardrobe consists of a lot of t-shirts and a couple golf shirts and jeans. So anyway, yeah, so we've knocked that out. Next we're going to start measuring for the shelving units. We're going to have to cut those down and get those installed next. Well, we've got a lot of stuff going on today, but one thing that's happening today is they're going to start the shower and bath install. So I'm looking forward to the tile going in. Here he gets started cutting the hole for the drain. Now he's applying the flange. If there's one thing I don't like, it's hanging backerboard, and I am glad that they did it. So we're going to jump around from bathroom to bathroom and see how the progress is going. In the second bathroom, both coats of the Red Guard waterproofing has been applied, and it's pretty much ready for tile. We're back in the master shower. It was very important to get the mud bed pitched just perfect. And as you can see, he's using a level. In just a second, you'll see him screeding it down to get the proper slope in order for the water to drain. And here are the final results of the master shower mud bed, ready for waterproofing and tile. Let's move on from tile and get on to something different. Here's a few parting shots. All right, so we've got a lot of doors to put in today. So interior doors, that's our mission. Hopefully we'll be able to knock out the whole house. Okay, well, we knocked out the master bedroom door. As you can see there, we have knocked out the master water closet, the master closet, so we're making headway. Time to tackle a harder project, which is making 2 single doors into a double door for the office and for the office closet. That is not going to be fun, but we'll knock it out. Well, I'm not going to sit here and bore you with every single door that we put in because they're all pretty much hung the same way. So I guess you're just going to have to trust us that we got it all installed and done properly. We'll see you again soon. Thanks.